Plastic roads, which are constructed using waste plastic materials mixed with bitumen, have gained attention as a potential solution to address environmental concerns associated with plastic waste and improve road durability. However, the health implications of plastic roads are a subject of debate and ongoing research. Here are some potential concerns related to plastic roads and their impact on health. Toxic emissions. Some studies suggest that when plastic waste is melted and mixed with bitumen to create road surfaces, there is a risk of toxic emissions. These emissions can be harmful if inhaled, potentially leading to respiratory issues and other health problems. The exact composition of the plastics used, as well as the manufacturing process, can influence the types and levels of emissions produced. Microplastic release. Over time, plastic roads may degrade due to weathering, traffic, and other factors. This degradation can result in the release of microplastic particles into the environment. While the direct health effects of inhaling or ingesting microplastics are not yet fully understood, there are concerns about their potential to harm human health and the ecosystem. Durability and maintenance. The long-term durability of plastic roads is still being assessed. If these roads degrade quickly and require frequent maintenance, there could be potential health and safety risks associated with roadwork and exposure to construction-related pollutants. Water contamination. There is concern that plastic materials used in road construction may leach chemicals into the surrounding soil and water, potentially contaminating local water sources. This contamination could pose health risks if people rely on these water sources for drinking or irrigation. It's important to note that research on the health effects of plastic roads is ongoing, and the outcomes may vary depending on the specific materials and processes used in construction. To mitigate potential health risks associated with plastic roads, it is essential to conduct thorough assessments of the materials and processes used in road construction. Monitor and regulate emissions from plastic road construction and degradation. Ensure proper disposal of waste plastics and minimize their entry into the environment. Continue research to better understand the long-term environmental and health impacts of plastic roads. While plastic roads have the potential to address plastic waste issues and improve road quality, there are concerns about their health and environmental impacts that warrant further investigation and careful consideration during their development and implementation.